Nyo pa lang na Sensoji Temple, on your left side, makikita nyo agad yung Tokyo Sky Tree. So, pupunta tayo dyan to take a closer look. Dahil alam naman po natin na it is one of the famous places here when you're in Tokyo.
Hindi pinakailangan dito eh.
Cross the river via this river walk. Galing, di ba? And we're here, Frenny, at the Tokyo Sky Tree. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you on our next vlog.